In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map your processes in ClickUp. Process mapping in ClickUp helps your team see exactly how work moves from idea to completion, so everyone knows what to do, when to do it, and who's responsible. We'll start from the main workspace and build a simple, reliable workflow you can reuse across projects. Begin on the ClickUp home screen using the left sidebar to navigate. Home gives you an overview of your tasks, reminders, and activity, and it's a great place to make sure you're in the right workspace before diving in. Next, open the space you created for this area of work. Think of a space as the container for a department, a major initiative, or a client. Choosing the correct space keeps everything organized and ensures your views and automations apply to the right place. Inside that space, select the project you want to map. This is where you'll break work down and visualize how it progresses. If your project has folders or lists, pick the one that best represents the process you're documenting. Switch to the board view. Board view is ideal for process mapping because it lays out your workflow as columns, making it easy to track status at a glance and drag tasks forward as they advance. Set up your core stages: to do, in progress, and complete. These statuses are the backbone of your process. Rename them if needed to match your team's language, and keep them clear and mutually exclusive. A good tip is to write short definitions for each status in your space or project description so everyone uses them consistently. Open the schedule view to layer in timing. This calendar or timeline perspective helps you spot bottlenecks, balance workloads, and set realistic deadlines. Adjust due dates and start dates here so your board and schedule always tell the same story. For our example, open the item called Collect Employee Information. Using a real process makes it easier to validate your stages. Confirm it will pass through the statuses you've set and note any handoffs between people or teams. Now add tasks. Click. Add task and enter clear, action-oriented titles. Assign the right people so ownership is obvious, and set due dates to keep momentum. Use descriptions to outline steps or acceptance criteria. Attach any relevant files or links, and add subtasks or checklists if the work benefits from smaller milestones. Tags and priorities can help you filter later, and comments are great for capturing decisions in context. That's it. You've mapped a clean 3-stage workflow, aligned it to a schedule, and populated it with actionable tasks. Keep refining names and fields as your team uses the process, and you'll have a reliable system that scales with your work.